Hello, Laagan Team fans. Kay ba mo asa mi karon? Naami sa sleeper train going to Way, the city of the Imperial Plaza. Okay. Here are my friends, Sir Tagod.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Ma'am Ivardo.
Yes.
Sir Alan Navarro. And of course, kaye, nga hapit malate. No.
Nakasuway jud ko og Grab.
Yes.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle. Oh my God. Kay 5 minutes na lang, the train will be leaving.
250,000.
And I will tour you, ha? Sa train,
500 mo lang yung
namo nga mong sakyan, this is a sleeper train. This is different, no, sa among nasakyan before going to Vientiane, Laos, which we hop on sleeper bus. This time, it's sleeper train. Oh my God, tanawa. Oh, diba? Oh, look at the rooms. Look at the rooms. The rooms. And then, there's another train over there. At that side. In a few minutes, we will be leaving. In a few minutes. So, kung muadto sad mo og Way, this is a city, another city in Vietnam. Aside from Da Nang. No? Okay. So later on, I will tell you, I will share to you our mga laag-laag, mga gala-gala dito. The train will travel for about 3 hours, more or less 3 hours, to the city of Way, and then going back also another 3 hours. And that time we'll be in a sitting position. This is more on a sleeping position because we want to sleep. So, bye-bye for now.